A chilly and foggy start this morning, then the warmth and sunshine continues. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Thursday.
Have you worn your wedding dress?
I haven't re-worn my wedding dress other than just around the house and then my daughter Charlotte getting to wear it. But of course,
Do you hoover?
I don't hoover. But other than I rewear my clothes all the time.
Very
so
good.
We've been doing last year and so far this year we've bought no new clothes. I either rewear what I have, wear from charity, or borrow from Charlotte.
Yeah. The reaction says it all.
Summer dress over the next few days. Here's the details. Yes, people have been changing our wardrobes. We've been digging into that spring-summer collection and we'll need it for the next few days. But we just heard from Juliet about the continued wildfire risk. Now, March was a very dry month and it was a very sunny month and we had temperatures way above average, and April is following suit. We're around about a third of our way through the month and we've just had... Well, the weather is just as glorious here. In fact, top temperature in Tuscany today, 20. Today in the UK, it will be 21 degrees. Continuing our theme we had last month, which March was very warm, it was sunny, it was dry, and April so far, we've just seen 1% of our April rainfall. We should be around about a third of our way through that so far. More than half of our April sunshine, and again, we should have had around about a third. And the reason it's been so fine, settled and warm is this. High pressure. It's like a force field. It stops these weather fronts queuing up from making progress. There will be a little more progress with weather fronts later on into the weekend, but for the time being, it is fine and dry with plenty of sunshine. It does mean, though, overnight we have clear conditions, light winds, and that gives rise to some mist and fog, but dry and fine by day. So this is the latest satellite and radar. Some patchy cloud for the northwest and cloudy across the far south and east. Some low cloud, mist and fog under this. A bit of a grey start. And it takes a while. It nibbles away from the Midlands, clears away to the southeast, so sunny spells by this afternoon. But for nearly all of us, beautiful blue skies and sunshine, temperatures above average across the board. 21 degrees our top temperature. But worth pointing out that UV levels are moderate for everybody. If you're in the sunshine today, enjoying the Easter break, make sure you put on sun cream. And pollen levels are up to very high. So let's take a look at how things are looking as we head through the next 7 days. If you are on your Easter break and have some outdoor plans, there's a big change coming. But first of all, let's look at our temperatures across the north of the UK. So Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England, temperatures compared to average, we are way above, but then it turns back to average, it turns cooler as we head into next week. Potential chance of rainfall across the north of the UK. A big divide of type comes with our weather. You can see fine, dry and sunny for the start of the weekend and then turning more unsettled from Sunday onwards. Fortunes further south of England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. Again, temperatures are above average for the duration, even moderating a little, but still above average into next week. And then percentage chance of rainfall, fine and dry for the rest of the week and then turning more unsettled from Sunday onwards. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. We've had warm, dry, sunny weather so far this April, and there is more to come as we head through the next few days. But change happens this weekend. It's been fine and settled thanks to high pressure. It's like a force field. It stops weather fronts making progress, but they're queuing up in the Atlantic and they make progress later on this weekend. For today, it is dry, fine and sunny yet again, with the best of any sunshine for western areas because we have a band of cloud across the south and east. So central and eastern areas of England, it's a bit misty and murky first thing. That cloud will burn back to the coast. It may well linger on the immediate eastern coast and temperatures here just 12 or 13. But in the glorious sunshine with the light winds like the last few days, it is above average temperatures. We could get to 20 or 21 degrees. It is worth pointing out, though, in the sunshine, it's getting stronger. UV levels are moderate, so you'll need your sun cream, and hay fever is going up. Pollen levels up to very high for many of us yet again today. That theme continues for the next few days. Tonight, it's clear, it's dry. It does turn chilly with a touch of frost for southeastern areas, and then tomorrow we do it all over again. If any mist and fog develops, it will slowly burn off, and tomorrow, dry, sunny and warm yet again, with those temperatures climbing into the low 20s.